Unit conversions is converting from one unit to another of the same type. For example, distance, time, or speed. We're going to look at the example of time. For example, we want to convert one fortnight into seconds. I don't know how many seconds are in a fortnight, so I need to convert it. So we start over on the left, and I'm going to abbreviate fortnight as an FN. So I start over on the left and I build what's called a railroad track. So I put some tracks in my railroad track. Whatever I don't like, I put in the denominator. I don't like the fortnight, so I'm going to put it in the denominator. And I need to convert out into something I do know, which is weeks. So I'll put WK for weeks up here. I know that in one fortnight, there is 2 weeks. So I now can get rid of fortnight. Letters divide like numbers. Now I'm left with weeks in the numerator. I don't like weeks, so I'll put week in the denominator. And I do know that in 1 week, there is 7 days. Now I can get rid of weeks. Weeks divide out. I'm not quite yet into seconds. I want my answer in seconds. So I need to find units that get me down to seconds. I'm down to days. Well, now I can convert out of days. I know that in 1 day, there is 24 hours. And now I can divide out days. The only letter left on the top is hours, but I still don't want hours. I want seconds, so I need to convert out. We know that in 1 hour, there is 60 minutes. I still don't want minutes, so in 1 minute, there is 60 seconds. I can divide letters out. Hours divide out. Minutes divide out. And I'm left with seconds. I want my answer in seconds because I want to know how many seconds is in 1 fortnight. So I'm left with seconds. I am done. Now I just need to multiply my numbers. I need to take 1 times 2 times 7 times 24 times 60 times 60. So here's my calculator in Google. I take 1, multiply it by 2, multiply it by 7, multiply it by 24, multiply it by 60, and multiply that by 60. And I get 1209600. 1209600. Now I do the same with my denominator. I've got a 1 times a 1 times a 1 times a 1 times a 1, which just is a 1. 1, 209,600 divided by 1 is just 129,600. So let's just get rid of the 1, and that becomes my answer. There are 1,209,600 seconds in 1 fortnight. This is what we mean and is an example of a unit conversion. We're converting from fortnights into seconds.